Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to pause Instagram Reels on your Instagram application. To pause any Instagram Reel, first of all open your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the Reel icon from the button just left to your profile icon. Then simply press one time in the middle. Previously, this option was not available in the Instagram to pause, but now it is available. If it is not available in your case, then go through the App Store and search for Instagram and see if any updates are available or not. If there are any, then do update your application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.